in the WhatsApp group that the workshop has started. All of you please join, and so let's start it. Okay. So basically आपको जो इंग्रेडिएंट्स आपका लगेगा वो आपका है कॉर्नफ्लावर. आप कॉर्नफ्लावर भी यूज कर सकते हो, अरारोट पाउडर भी यूज कर सकते हो, कुछ भी यूज कर सकते हो जो आपके पास हो. अगर आप बहुत बारीक राइस पाउडर भी यूज करना चाहते हो तो आप उसको भी यूज कर सकते हो. बट कॉर्नफ्लावर जो है ये बहुत सॉफ्ट होता है, बहुत स्मूथ होता है. राइस पाउडर थोड़ा सा दरबरा होता है. तो बेस्ट इज योर कॉर्नफ्लावर और अरारोट पाउडर. एंड देन वी हैव दिस colors. So whichever color you want, you have to mix little with water in the color. That is 1 part of color and half part of water, and makes the colors little watery. So first let's finish up. Hi Aishwarya, thank you for joining. So first let's finish up with the hobby ideas, and here it is. So I'll just take I'm just taking a 2 spoons of arrowroot powder, and as I told you, I have prepared the liquid color here by mixing 1 part of color and half part of water, and then I am going to pour in this. और इसके बाद आपको अच्छे से मिक्स करना है, और मिक्स करके आपको उसको खूब अच्छे से ऐसे मिक्स करना है ताकि वो एकदम स्मूथ रहे, उसमें गांठें नहीं आए. So you have to take the liquid color and you have to mix in this, and while mixing you have to keep in mind that you should not get lumps. If there are lumps, you have to use like this and mix it with your hand nicely so that you get the uniform color. See? So slowly mix the color. Don't mix the color and the water at one time. Slowly you mix and do it so that you don't get a. So I am using it all like this. Little more water I should need. So I'll get little more water, slightly little more water I'll get in this, and I'll mix everything. So बहुत अच्छे से आपको मिक्स करना है. इस बात का आपको ध्यान रखना है कि ज़्यादा पानी नहीं ऐड करना है, थोड़ा थोड़ा ऐड करना है. और अगर कलर कई बार फेविक्रिल हॉबी आइडियाज़ के कलर्स में, जैसे आपकी कलर्स बहुत दिन की सूखी हुई है तो उसमें इस तरह के ये पड़ जाते हैं, तो उनको आप बाहर निकाल दीजिए और खाली जो आपका कलर्स है उसको आप लीजिए और अच्छे से उसको मिक्स करिए. और अगर आपको और डार्क चाहिए, जैसे मैंने इसको अभी लाइट बनाया है, तो मुझे और डार्क चाहिए तो मैं कलर और डालूंगी. Okay, so I'll get another bottle of blue color and I'll put, and you should do like this. और इसके बाद इसको और फाइन करने के लिए, जब आपका अच्छे से कलर मिक्स हो जाए, आप इसको किसी छन्नी या सीप से छान लीजिए. So I'll repeat again in English. I have taken 2 spoons of corn flour, and I have taken little bit liquid Fevikwik Hobby Ideas colors, acrylic colors you can use. So prepare the color. Take 1 teaspoon of color and half teaspoon of water. Make the color little bit liquid. Mix it nicely. Prepare it, and then pour the color in your corn flour and go on mixing. Little you pour the color and go on mixing and prepare your holi ke rang. This is your holi ke rang, which we are preparing. And the color is here like this, but if I want little more bright, I will put little more color so that I get a brighter color. I want the color to be little more bright, so I am going to add little more color. If you are happy with this light color, okay. Otherwise you can add little more color. So I thought to add little more color. I'll get a little more blue color, and I add it more. I want to make it more bright. here it is. So you can see the color here is very thick. So what I will do first, I will mix some water in the color, make it little loose, and then I am going to mix it in the whole powder. Still little more darker I want, so I am going to take some more color and I am going to add more water here and mix it up. Little water I will mix in this and then I will add. Okay. Done. So now quite happy with the color. At least it is very dark than the previous one. Okay. So जितना darkness आपको चाहिए आप उतना कलर ऐड कर सकते हो, लेकिन इस बात का ध्यान रखना कि आपका ये बहुत ज़्यादा वेट नहीं हो जाए. और सपोज आपको ऐसा फील हो रहा है कि ये बहुत वेट हो गया है, तो आप इसको एक न्यूज़पेपर में फैला के और थोड़ा धूप में रख दीजिए, और इसके बाद उसको एक अच्छी सी सीप से छलनी से चाल के जब वो अच्छी तरह सूख जाए, अभी जैसे ये थोड़ा गीला है तभी ये बाइंड हो रहा है, तो हमें क्या करना है, उसे अच्छी तरह से ऐसे अच्छे से मिक्स करके और उसको एक पतली सी न्यूज़पेपर पे बाहर धूप में आप डाल दीजिए, और इसके बाद वो सूख जाए तो उसको बारीक छलनी से चाल के आपका होली का रंग रेडी हो जाएगा. ये होली का रंग आप सिर्फ इससे होली खेल सकते हो, और अगर आपको घर पे रंगोली डालना है तो आप इससे रंगोली भी डाल सकते हो. ये जब अच्छी से सूख जाएगी तो ये बहुत स्मूथ हो जाएगा और वो आराम से आपके हाथ से गिरेगा. तो इस प्रकार से आप राइस फ्लोर को कलर करके सुखा के उसको डब्बी में भर कर रख सकते हो, और उसकी रंगोली होली का कलर भी खेल सकते हो और रंगोली भी उसकी डाल सकते हो. So I'll once again repeat the method in English as asked by all people. So you have to take 2 spoons of I have taken 2 spoons of corn flour, and in this I have mixed Fevicryl Hobby Ideas acrylic colors. Prepare the color by mixing 1 spoon of color and half spoon of water, and slowly pour that color and get the exact color of the holy powder what you want. So this is my holy powder. Now what I will do, I will can you see? So this is your holy powder. I want to add additional fragrance in this, so that when you are applying the powder, holy powder on your on anybody's face, along with that you have a nice fragrance also. For the fragrance purpose, you can add any perfume, any ether in this. After mixing, add any perfume and any ether, or if you let it dry up in the sun, and in the final stage when you are packing it, add additional perfume or ether. I have today this pineapple essence. I want not this is blue color, so we might go for blueberry essence. So I have blueberry essence. I'll add food grade, any essence you can add. Food grade essence you can add. You can add perfume if you have any perfume at home. That perfume bottle perfume you can add. You have attar at home, that attar you can add. So anything you can add. Okay. So मेरे पास वनीला है, तो मैं वनीला ऐड कर रही हूँ. ब्लूबेरी नहीं है. अगर I could have put blueberry with this, then it would have gone nicely matched. But since I don't have blueberry at home, I am having vanilla, so I am adding vanilla. So this is your food grade essence, what you use for cake and ice creams and all. You can add that also. So I am just putting the food grade essence vanilla here and mix it nicely. और इसको अभी आप थोड़ी देर के लिए 1 घंटे के लिए धूप पे रख दीजिए ताकि वो अच्छे से सूख जाए, और फिर आप उसको अच्छे से चन्नी से चाल के, सीप से चाल के आप उसको पैक कर सकते हो। तो आपका होली का कलर तैयार है। ठीक है, थोड़ा सा आप अगर सुखा लोगे तो अच्छा रहेगा। इफ यू मेक दिस ड्राई अप in the hot sun for some while, it will be nice. So, and if you are drying it in the sun, first dry up in the sun and then mix the perfume, whatever perfume you want to do, and then sieve it in the siever and then pack it for sending it to your friends and relatives. So this is your natural. Can you see? If I apply this color, I'll just apply here little bit this color. Even with water, if I apply, it doesn't, it is a magic color, though it looks colorful, but it doesn't stick to your body. So what we will do, little bit of the color I'll take and apply, and then I'll wash and show you. Though this is colored powder and this is colored, but like the dye colors what we use, if we mix water and apply, and when we wash, it leaves back the marks. But in this case, it will not leave any color marks. So you can say this is magic color and natural, we can say, but not totally natural because we have used Hobby Ideas color. Totally natural we are going to do in the just now after this. So that's how you have to supposed to make color with your फेविकिल हॉबी आइडियाज। ओके, तो ये आपका कलर है, आप कोई भी कलर में बना सकते हो, रेड, ब्लू, ग्रीन, येलो, आपको जो भी कलर में बनाना है आप बना के उसको ये कर सकते हो। सो यू कैन हैव अ लुक। नाउ वी विल गो टू द गुलाल। So for the gulal, what you have to do, I need to wash my hand and come and clean this plate because the gulal will be in light pink color, so it might change the color. So let me clean the plate nicely and also wash my hand and come, and then I'm going to show you all of you here how to make homemade gulal. Gulal is abir or red powder. So there's a difference between gulal and holy powder. Holy powder we will mix with water and play. Gulal will play dry. We won't mix the gulal in water. So gulal is just in the evening of the holy day when we go to meet each other. We take gulal and we just put on each other and take the blessings. Elder peoples will put on their feet and get their blessings. For younger people, we'll just put them on like a tilakam on their forehead and bless them. So the gulal is basically plate dried. We don't mix water in this and plate, but this color you can mix water. You can mix it in water and you can put in the pichkari and you can play. Now, so this is gulal. This is totally 100% natural and herbal. So here I am going to again use this corn flour. Okay. तो गुलाल जो बना रहे हैं हम उसके लिए corn flour use कर रहे हैं, and I am going to use this gulal, this holy for my house purpose. So that's why I am preparing in larger quantity. So just take the powder, and this is your dry crushed rose powder, rose leaves petal. I am going to mix in this. Slightly I have grinded it in the mixie. The dry rose petals, take the rose petals, dry it up in the sun 1 or 2 days, collect the petals and slightly you grind it in the mixie. Okay, and I am going to add here, this is liquid food color. You can have a look. So this is liquid food color what we use for cake, cookies and muffins and brownie and all that, and this is liquid rose essence. Okay, so गुलाल यूजली आपका लाइट पिंक कलर का होता है, तो हम उसमें आई एम जस्ट पुटिंग लिटिल बिट ऑफ रोज एसेंस हियर and I'm going to add little bit of light pink color. This is a pink color here, and we are going to mix them nicely. And light pink color, we want the color, so either light pink or red you can take. So I'm going to mix it nicely here. And so the best thing about a gulal is that even the market gulal, what you get in the market, if you apply on the feet or on the cheeks or on the forehead, they don't leave marks like the colored one. So for that reason, the gulal, basically that is the purpose of the gulal. So see here, so you have to mix nicely and you have to break them up so that you get the nice light pink color. And since I have added rose fragrance in this, I will get nice rose fragrance. And I have also added rose petals. So and this is totally 100% natural and herbal without any harsh chemicals. So this Holi, you can make a friendly Holi, herbal and organic and natural Holi, without going for the chemical gulal what you get in the market. So basically it is chemically done with some might be some chalk powder or limestone powder, whatever it is. So let's have a organic Holi, a natural Holi without any harsh chemicals. So here it is. Your gulal is ready. And regarding the color, if you want, can you see the rose petals I have put and the smell? My God, it's smelling awesome. Nice rose smell. If you want the smell little more stronger, you can add some more. Rose water also can be added. So this is basically rose essence and little more color I want. So I'll add little more color and I'll mix and my organic gulal is ready. So thank you all of you for joining, and all of you here, so please give your submission. Make one gulal and make one Holi color, and please submit by evening. It is very easy. We don't want you to make too much, little bit, and just in a plate or something you can just submit. And tomorrow we will be having a workshop on Holi props, so all of you get ready, get some greeting cards or greeting card, old greeting card or old wedding card, and some white papers, and of course your paint and 3D outliners and sketch pen. And you need some wooden stick or ice cream stick or skewers, what we use for kebabs and all, the wooden one. So, and sellotape. So that's all you need for tomorrow's workshop. So please all of you get ready with that workshop and prepare any theme. It's not necessary that you should prepare a Holi theme. If you're not celebrating Holi, please give submission for happy birthday, or you can give for happy anniversary, or you can give for Diwali, or you can give for even for Pongal. Pongal is coming, Tamil New Year is coming, so you can do for any of this. So because a few people told me in the group that ma'am, I don't celebrate. ये है आपका गुलाल. 1 minute. मैं थोड़ा सा इसका लाइट, टू मच लाइट है शायद, इसलिए नहीं, लाइट थोड़ा ऑफ करके देखती हूँ कैसा आता है. अभी देखिए आपका गुलाल. ये है आपका होममेड गुलाल, एकदम नेचुरल. आप रोज की पंक्ति देख सक रहे हो. अंदर मैंने क्रश करके डाला है, प्लस मैंने रोज कलर लाइट पिंक कलर डाला है, फूड कलर, और मैंने लाइट पिंक ये फूड कलर डाला है, रोज एसेंस डाला है. सो ये आपका नेचुरल होममेड. आप इसको थोड़ा सा धूप में अगर सुखा दोगे तो ये, और इसके बाद इसको चलनी से अगर चाल लोगे तो ये और स्मूथ हो जाएगा. अभी थोड़ा सा इसमें मॉइस्चर है, हम लोगों ने जो कलर डाला है और जो लिक्विड कलर डाला है, जो एसेंस है, उससे थोड़ा सा इसमें मॉइस्चर है. तो आपको क्या करना है, इसको अभी थोड़ा सा आप या तो घर पे ही बैठ कर दीजिए, आप उसको न्यूज़पेपर पे फैला दीजिए, और कल सुबह उसको अच्छे से चलनी से चाल के सीव करके, ताकि वो और स्मूथ हो जाए. लेकिन इसको सीव करने से रोज पाउडर जो ऊपर चलनी में रह जाएगा, तो लास्ट में आप उसको वापस इसमें मिक्स कर लीजिएगा और इसके बाद आप उसको वो बहुत और भी स्मूथ रहेगा। तो फिर उसके बाद आप उसको यूज कर सकते हो, आप अपने रिश्तेदारों को गिफ्ट कर सकते हो, उनको सेंड कर सकते हो, बोल सकते हो कि मैंने ऑर्गेनिक कलर बनाया है, होली का मैंने ऑर्गेनिक गुलाब बनाया है ना, ऑर्गेनिक कलर बनाया है। इसमें आपका केमिकल्स नहीं है, जो केमिकल्स आपको मार्केट में मिलती है वो केमिकल्स नहीं है। So this is your, and I will show you the color for this also, because too much light you're not able to see the color. After switching the light I can show you, see the color here, how beautiful is the holi ke rang, blue color, and your this gulal. Okay, now let me place them and show you, give a presentation to you. So and then I'll put them in boxes and we will, so ये है आपका, so two products I have taught you. Please give a try to both of these products, and